आप लोगों को आइडिया तो हो ही गया, बट एक अनबॉक्सिंग इफेक्ट देने के लिए जस्ट डू इट अगेन. ओके, सो बॉक्सिंग वी got, and this is the helmet itself. So helmets comes with the standard bag. With if you go for most of the above branded bag, branded helmet like EAC and dot approval, you will get the bag with them. So we have SMK logo over it like this. Unboxing effect. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this helmet means the black and orange color. Really, so this is the complete helmet look. If you going to check it from inside, the padding and all have a very good branding. SMK is very well known for its brand, and it's basically a ECE approved. It had overall 2 ends, one from the face, one was overhead, and it is pretty good quality. Damn, means I have no words to explain. The particular helmets come with the anti-fog shield. So okay, let's just remove it slowly with an effect. Wow, so if you can see, the visor is plain and it comes with this anti-fog layer. The helmets come with the blue visor, and the one more thing very interesting, this particular helmet have a specific space for the Bluetooth. To buy anything like Sena or AVJ, anything, you can go for Bluetooth. They have a particular setting for the space provided for to, so that you can fit your Bluetooth here. Most probably I'll going to buy it and do the full fixing of that particular helmet. Beside this, there is nothing much to say. The SMK itself is a brand, well-known brand, and the fittings. Actually, I have used a large size helmet, but for this I have gone for an XL because this size seems to be perfect for me. So this is how it got. They have a normal pin. So in today's shopping, this is a major item which I bought, and I'm very happy. And let's see, give you the review in the upcoming rides. Hopefully everything going to be a positive because it's SMK, but still you give the update for that. So just keep it aside. Beside this, I bought a visor for my Steelbird SBA 1. You can see the unboxing of that. That particular helmets come standard with the smoke visor, so I'm just facing some difficulty because I'm mostly riding in the night also, so that's why I bought this plain visor and a jacket, a reflective jacket. This, I must say, this is a must for those riders who are riding at night or for a long ride or for some destination ride. You must have it. This is not a much, it's don't have a high cost, it's very minimal cost. And so today's I bought helmet, visor, and this 3 things. The prices are nominal, but I'm very sure if you go to Chopra automobiles in Karol Bagh and met Gaurav, he will give you definitely some discount. Yeah, the prices of their prices are very nominal. It's not like you will find a higher price than somewhere else. So if you want, you can compare it online, you can compare with other shop also, but ultimately you will find a best price at that shop only. So this is up to you, just go give it a try. He not only have the helmet, but he have all the varieties, from safety gear to riding gear to jacket to your tank bag to your pillion bag to your saddle bag, everything for all bikes. So just give it a try. That's it for today, guys. We'll catch you in the next episode.